Hi everybody, this is Dr. Don Batisky. I'm a Hiram alum, class of 1983, and also currently a member of the Board of Trustees. I'm here today to remind you about the Hiram Five. Today we're going to focus on the letter I. Increased cleaning and sanitation. You're going to notice some things when you get back to campus. Housekeeping teams will be cleaning and disinfecting community restrooms in the residence halls twice a day. Additionally, other high touch points within the halls will be cleaned and disinfected 3 times a day. We strongly encourage you to sanitize your hands when you enter or exit the residence halls. Hand sanitation stations are going to be conveniently located at each card access door to the residence halls. I also want to remind you that washing your hands and keeping your hands from your face are probably the most important things you can do to stop the spread of COVID-19. Please remind yourself how to do that thoroughly and do it often. While the housekeeping team and the Hiram staff will be working hard to keep the high touch points and the restrooms clean, each one of us is responsible for increased sanitation practices as well. Please disinfect your own personal space often and get into the habit of wiping down the items you touch frequently, especially things like your phone and your iPad. By following the Hiram Five, we can work together to stop the spread of COVID-19 and keep ourselves and the Hiram community safe and healthy. Remember, sanitize when you can and do your part to stop the spread of COVID-19.